This video is sponsored by Squarespace, an all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence. Hi everyone, Thao here. I just installed the Google Camera Port on the Note 10 Plus. It's basically the camera software that you'd find on a Google Pixel. Phones that are very well known for taking beautiful pictures. A few weeks ago, I posted a couple comparisons on Instagram to see what people prefer, Samsung's stock camera or the Google Camera Port. The first comparison was me holding this guy right here on the sofa, and people generally prefer the one from the stock camera app. The second comparison was one of just Milo sitting on the floor, and this time around, most prefer the one from the Google Camera Port. So what does this mean? It means we need some more samples. I'll go snap some more pictures and you let me know which one you like better. Sounds like a plan? Cool, let's go. Okay, I knew it was gonna be cold today, but I wasn't expecting it to be this cold. Okay, this is not gonna work out. Plan B. First up, we have a couple of pictures in the car because it's nice and warm in here. To my surprise, you can actually enable toggles for the different lenses. The ultra-wide works perfectly, but when you try to select the telephoto, it just switches to the ultra-wide. Time to cause some trouble in IKEA. Sometimes you just crave for things, and today I was craving the sundae from IKEA. Don't judge me. Moving on to some portrait shots. I just couldn't get the Google Camera Port to work when it didn't detect a face. I must have taken this plant one like 10 times. With my face in the frame, it worked perfectly. By now, you've probably seen the biggest difference between the two, the color temperature. You can almost guarantee that the GCam photo is going to be cooler. I'll let the examples speak for themselves. Oh, hey guys! Welcome to my kitchen. I must say, although IKEA was plan B, it turned out to be a great spot with all the different lighting and setups. You guys want to come to my balcony? Come, come. Decided to bear the negative 17-degree weather anyways, and dropped by the park so Milo could let off some energy. Here's one of a large toy plane in a playground, and the same shot with the ultra-wide lens. Love how this picture turned out. The ultra-wide is probably my most used lens because of how much more of the atmosphere I can capture with it. It's definitely an essential for me. Just like how a website is essential for your business or passion. It lets the world know this is what I do and I'm serious about it. The problem for most is figure out where to start. Well, Squarespace is the all-in-one solution for anyone looking to create a beautiful website. Let me tell you, I knew nothing about building a website, but their designer templates made it super easy to build mine from scratch. If you've been intimidated at the thought of having your own website, you need to hit up squarespace.com to see for yourself how easy it can be. And when you're ready to launch, use my code to save 10%. It is so cold outside right now, and that's an understatement. But I'm gonna soldier it through just so that I can get some low light shots for you guys. So, pray for me. When asking friends which pictures they prefer, it's a complete toss-up and really shows how it boils down to preference. Samsung might be onto something with built-in beauty mode though, because every time it's a picture of a face, they prefer the ones shot on the Samsung camera. One of the main reasons why I love the Pixel 4's camera is just how reliable it is in all situations. Indoors, outdoors, nighttime, it doesn't matter. Just know that you're not getting the Pixel 4's camera with this port, but it definitely helps the Note 10 Plus in some situations like indoor and low light photos. Regardless, if you're someone who doesn't want to mess with Pro mode on the Note 10 Plus, I say definitely give the port a try. It's great for situations where the stock camera lacks. Not to mention, it makes my dog Milo look extra cute. Like seriously, it was one of the main reasons why I was looking for the Google camera port, is so that I can take more pictures of this guy that aren't too soft looking. As usual, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, I'm out of here. Bye!